So your company decides to do something new, and the real complicated part lands in your lap. And when you try to be realistic about what big changes or lots of growth require, it's often not appreciated by the rest of the organization. Because regardless of what's happening elsewhere in the company, IT still needs to architect the solution, then acquire, configure, install, patch, upload data, reconfigure, reinstall, patch, and on and on. Then to make matters worse, your boss just read about this new cloud thing that could be implemented in a week. But you're still dealing with real stacks of hardware and software. And it's not like you can just draw a picture of the application and the new infrastructure it needs and make it happen. Actually, now you can. Introducing 3terra AppLogic by CA Technologies. A platform that makes scaling and configuring your applications as easy as drawing it. Sound impossible? It's really that easy. Whether you're an enterprise, a managed service provider, or anyone else who just wants to get their applications deployed fast, we discovered that by virtualizing the infrastructure that every app needs and placing all the components into a single environment, scaling becomes virtually instantaneous. Want to ensure network security? Do nothing. It's secure by default. Need two components to communicate? Draw a line. Need a new server? Copy and paste. Need a more secure zone? Drag and drop in a firewall. Want the server to be scaled dynamically? Double-click and give it scaling range. Now you can imagine what this would bring to your business. Endless agility, explosive efficiency, and time to market speeds that stun your boss, and her boss, and her boss's boss, and her boss's boss's boss. And instead of bringing your company to the cloud, you just brought the cloud to your company. It's a technological leap forward that solves the two biggest problems you face when trying to roll out new applications: the need for speed and crushing complexity. All with one solution: 3terra AppLogic. Don't take our word for it. Try it out on a pilot project and see for yourself. And in no time, you will be waiting for the rest of your business to catch up.